Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make some winter morning juice. For this morning winter juice, we are starting with Swede. Swede is popular in the winter months, and juicing fruits and vegetables according to their season gives you the best chance to get the best flavor and nutrients out of it. Swede contains large volume of vitamin C, making it perfect for building our immunity. Swede is also loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that makes it perfect for our heart, digestion, and even skin. Swede also has an earthy sweet flavor, making it ideal to start up your day and your morning with a burst of wellness juice. Carrots come with natural sweetness which will help to make this juice palatable. Aside that, carrots are loaded with beta carotene, vitamins A, and antioxidants. This helps to promote glowing skin, anti-aging, eye health. It also contains potassium and great amount of vitamin C that supports heart health and boosts immunity. It has iron content in it, making it perfect for preventing anemia. So if you're a woman over 40, consider adding carrots to your juice. Parsnip, yes, parsnip. We are going to be juicing parsnip. Just like the sweet, is also a winter vegetable. It is rich in vitamin C, packed in fiber and folate, making it ideal for boosting immunity, promoting heart health, and digestive health. It also has the slightly sweet flavor which will make it a good combo in this juice. Ladies, this juice is for you. Ginger. My juice cannot be complete without ginger. A spicy kick to a healthy you. It is a superfood in its full rights, loaded with necessary nutrients that helps to relieve nausea, helps digestion, prevents and reduces inflammation, and gives you a burst of energy. Yes, we are adding ginger to this juice. Pineapple it is. Pineapple has become one of my regulars in juicing. That is because it brings sunshine, it brings joy. It adds joy to the juice, brings a taste of the tropical. Yeah, it is loaded with relevant nutrients, including vitamin C, which is an immunity booster. It has relevant nutrients and properties that helps with combating inflammation and digestive health. I just love it, and it has a great taste that makes this juice so refreshing. Lemon, another juice regular of mine. It adds a tangy and a zingy flavor to the drink, bringing a balance to all the sweetness. Loaded, of course, with vitamin C that helps boost immunity, detoxify and cleanse our bodies, and gives a natural kick to our metabolism. Cucumber, mainly water, electrolytes, and relevant antioxidants that helps refresh, rehydrate, prevents hydration, boosts digestive health, and improve skin health. Celery. Yeah, celery, just like cucumber, is high in water, not just ordinary water, relevant electrolytes and sodium that helps to regulate water levels, refresh, rehydrate, promote skin health, and very low in sugar. So, yeah, we are adding this to the juice to improve and increase volume. And yes, our greens are here. I am currently touching kale, fresh kale already washed, chopped, and I've taken time to pick out the thick stems to make it easier for juicing on my blender. Kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, has antioxidants and other nutrients that helps to promote skin health, boost our immunity, our eyesight, and so on and so forth. And it will add that greenness to this juice. On the other hand, I have parsley. Parsley is another very nutritious herb that will add to our immunity in this juice. I will let you leave in the comment section some of the benefits of parsley. Now it's time to juice. All done now. It's time to mix and match and incorporate those jug of good health. Sieving is my thing, but it's optional. My Nama juicer is currently doing a great job in leaving only minimal pulp in my juice, so I don't have to do much work. And it's time to enjoy our juice. Just look at that. Look at that jug of good health, jug of relevant nutrients that our body needs to stay healthy, strong, and ready to face what this great day brings. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Anyway, it's time to start my day, and I will certainly start it with one jar of this green, nutritious juice. It's your turn to try it out. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, remember to like it, subscribe if you haven't, leave me a comment, and click on these videos popping up. I'm sure you'll find them insightful. Bye bye. Make food your medicine.